Creating videos for your Faceless YouTube channel has never been easier thanks to the rapid growth of AI over the past few months. But here's the thing, most people still have no idea how to actually use AI to get the results they want. On top of that, new AI tools are popping up every single day, making it hard to figure out which ones are truly effective. That's why in this video, I'm going to walk you through a powerful tool I recently discovered, which has everything you need in one place. And just to show you what it's capable of, here's a video I created using this tool, which is styled exactly like the videos posted by a channel called Fern, which you probably already know for pulling in massive views every day. Then, I also used it to create those viral ASMR videos that are gaining a lot of traction, and I even discovered a brand new niche called the prehistoric niche, where some videos have reached millions of views just days after being uploaded. Now, the tool that made all of this possible is called Vivago AI, a popular platform that's gaining a lot of attention, and that's why today, I'll show you exactly how to unlock its full potential step by step, so you can start creating high-performing videos just like these. And what you're about to see will completely transform how you create faceless videos. So let's jump right in. To start off, log into Vivago AI and then watch closely. First, on the left side, you'll see a full list of features along with some additional settings. Then, on the right side, you'll find examples of how others have used this tool, and there are a lot of amazing results here. Now at the top, you will find three main features that are available, and the first one we'll use is the image generator, so go ahead and open it. Now, as you can see, the image generator feature includes a lot of advanced settings, but the first thing you will need to do is enter a prompt. For this example, I'll show you how to create a style similar to the Fern channel. So first, we'll need to generate the image, basically the scene we'll later use to make the video. Now you can start by entering your own prompt, or you can also use the built-in prompt bot to create one, which is what I'll use here. So now I'll ask the bot to create a highly detailed image prompt for a stylized 3D render of a person sitting behind a desk, working on a computer with a NASA logo on the screen. And once that's ready, just click Generate to start the process. Now this AI bot feature is quite advanced, and it generates high-quality prompts, just like the one you see here. So once the prompt is ready, just click on the Use Prompt button below, and it will automatically be added to the prompt section. Now, just below that, you can also add reference images. First, there's a portrait option that you can use for portrait references, and then there is a restyle feature as well that lets you restyle your image based on a reference, but for our image, we won't need to use one. Next, below the reference feature, you'll find the model settings. Here, there's a standard model, and next to it, a professional model, the new 2.0 version, which I recommend for the best quality. In the image count settings, you can choose how many images to generate in one batch. I'll set it to 4 so I have more options to choose from. In the aspect ratio settings, you'll find several formats, but I'll use 16:9 since we're creating a long-form video. Now, the last setting you can adjust is the negative prompt. Basically, here you can enter what you don't want to be included in your image, so you can avoid unwanted elements, but I won't need to use it in our example. Now that everything is ready, simply click the Generate button below to start the generating process. Now, this process usually takes about 30 seconds, which is fairly quick, and once it's done, as you can see, we have just created a set of 4 high-quality images that look pretty good. If we take a look at the details, we can see the images match our prompt exactly, and the style is pretty consistent, which is exactly what we need to make a video that really stands out. Once the images are ready, right below them, you'll find a list of options. First, you can add a lip sync to your image, then enhance it, expand it, and use a few other options. You can also save the character from the image for later use, which is very handy. Once you choose the image you like the most, click the Create a Video button, and you'll be redirected to the image to video feature. To start, you can create a video using different elements, but in our case, we'll use the frames feature. As you can see, our image is automatically imported into the image section, and you can even upload an end frame image, which is optional. Then, in the prompt section, a prompt will be created automatically, but feel free to enter your own or create a new one using the prompt bot. For the model settings, make sure it's set to professional for the best quality. Next, in the duration settings, you can choose the length of your video, either 5 or 10 seconds. I'll set it to 10 seconds. There's also a sound effect feature. If you turn it on, it automatically adds sound effects to your video, which is pretty interesting. Finally, I won't use a negative prompt since everything looks good so far. To generate the video, simply click the Generate button just like before, and the process will start. Now, the video generation process might take up to a minute or two, which is pretty fair for a high-quality video, and once it's done, as easy as that, we've just created a video scene based on our image. So let's see how it turned out. While the video plays, you'll notice the quality is really impressive, the details are on point, and the frames are very smooth, which makes the model one of the best ones available on the market right now. Now that the video is ready, you can first use the background remover feature to remove the background. Then you can enhance the video and even add a lip sync to it. But since the character in our video doesn't have a clear face, let's recreate this scene using a more realistic style and then add a lip sync to make it even better. To start off, head back into the image generator feature and watch closely. First, I'll use the prompt bot to create a prompt for our realistic scene. For this one, I'll ask the bot to create a similar image prompt as before, but this time, I want the image to be realistic so we can test out the lip sync feature. Once that's done, just click Generate, and as easy as that, we have a prompt for our realistic image. Now click the Use Prompt button, just like before, and the prompt will be ready to use. Now that we've created the image prompt, first make sure to select the professional model. Then, I'll set the image count to 4 so we have more options to choose from. As for the aspect ratio, I'll set it to 16:9 for a long form format. Once everything is set, click Generate, and just like that, the process will start. Since this works the same as before, I'll skip ahead, and once it's done, we'll have 4 images ready to go. From here, you can generate a video using the images, or you can add a lip sync directly. To do that, simply click on the lip sync button, and the feature will open up on the left side. Now to create the lip sync video, first you will need to enter a script for the voiceover. Here you can either enter your own script, or even upload your own voiceover. For our example, I'll enter a short script about a person uncovering the secrets of NASA. Then below that, you will need to choose a voice for the voiceover, so simply find the one you like the most, and then select it. Finally, you'll see the speech rate setting, where you can adjust the speed of the voiceover, but I'll leave it as it is. Now that everything is ready, simply click the Generate button to create the video. And after a few minutes, the video will be ready, so let's see how it turned out.
I'm inside, ready to breach NASA systems. Just me, my skills, and the right time to unlock their secrets and rewrite the rules.
Even though the character's face isn't fully clear or facing the camera, this feature still made the lip sync look amazing, and the result is very good. Alright, now let me show you how to create video scenes similar to this channel right here, which is posting in a brand new niche and getting some impressive results. Now, to create scenes like this, we'll use the text-to-video feature, so go ahead and open it. With this feature, you can create a full video from just a single prompt. In our case, I'll create a prompt using the prompt bot, since it gives amazing results. Here, I'll ask the bot to create a prompt about a prehistoric human, essentially an ape walking on 2 legs, with primitive, beast-like details. Then I'll simply click Generate, and within a few seconds, the prompt bot provides us with a prompt that matches our scene perfectly. Once the prompt is ready, click on the Use Prompt button to apply it, and you're ready for the next step. Just like before, make sure you have selected the 2.0 professional model for the best possible results. Then, I'll set the video duration to 10 seconds, and enable the sound effects feature as well. Next, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and finally, I'll click the Generate button below. Now the generation process will take around 2 minutes, same as before, and once it's done, our video will be finally ready, so let's see how it came out. The video looks pretty good, although it can look even better with the right prompt. All in all, using this feature, you can create solid long-form videos, and the process is pretty easy. Now, let me show you how to create those viral ASMR videos that are currently gaining traction, and trust me, the result will be really impressive. Now, if you head back to the main page in Vivago, you'll find a list of pre-made templates. To see the full list, click the More button, and the Templates section will open. As you can see, there are multiple templates available, but to create our viral ASMR video, we'll use the Satisfying Cut template, so go ahead and open it. Now, as you can see on the left side, the template is automatically selected for you. The only thing you need to do is upload an image of the object, in our case, an apple. Once you upload the image, below it you'll find the aspect ratio settings, and I'll set it to 16:9. After that, simply click Confirm, and the image will be imported. Finally, click the Generate button below, and just like that, the generation process will start, and once that process is done, let's see how our video came out. Wow, the video looks really good, and actually even better than some viral videos out there. But now, let me show you how to create a similar video in an even easier way. To do that, head back to the main page in Vivago, where you'll find user cases, basically videos other users have created. Here, you can use any template you want, but I'll use this one right here, which is also a viral ASMR video. Once you open it, you'll see everything is automatically set up for you. An image will already be loaded, but you can change it if you want. Then, a prompt will be pre-filled. In our case, it's in Chinese, but it still works perfectly fine. Finally, the additional settings below are pre-selected, so you're good to go. The only thing left to do is click generate and wait for the video to be ready. Once it's generated, let's see how it came out. I believe I don't have to say much because all the videos we've created so far are high quality, and I genuinely think this tool is one of the best on the market right now. But now, let me explain the pricing and help you decide if it's worth it or not. First, Vivago offers a free plan if you just want to try things out, which is simple but lets you get a feel for the tool. Then the basic plan is only $6 a month, and it gives you enough credits for regular use, plus no watermarks and access to all the AI features. Then if you need a bit more, the Plus plan is $20, with more credits and faster processing, which is great if you're making a lot of videos. And for those who create a lot of content, the Pro plan offers even more credits and priority access. You can also get yearly subscriptions with a nice discount, or buy credits separately if you just want to test it out. Honestly, the pricing plans are really affordable, and personally, I'd use it for a Faceless channel. And the best part is that you can also use Vivago on your mobile device. You can download it from the Play Store if you're on Android, and from the App Store if you're on iOS. Plus, if you want more ideas or updates, you can find Vivago on X, where they share lots of cool content that might just inspire you to start your own Faceless channel. So now that I've shown you how this tool works, it's up to you to decide if it's worth it or not. If you want me to make a more detailed video about Faceless channel creation using this tool, make sure to let me know in the comments. And as always, keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next one.
Alright, so I'm currently at my dashboard on smmshiba.com. And do not get confused by the website names. SMM Shiba and SMM Dodge are actually the same website. So all you have to do once you've created yourself an account here is to go on list, click on this category icon, select, and here you want to select something, basically any option that says from with video. So I'm going to choose this one right here, and this should be already fine. 2014, 2017, yeah. Now I'm going to click on buy, confirm, and now you can go onto your product orders and you will see this is pending. All right, the order is now completed. This didn't even take 2 minutes. What you want to do now is you want to copy that ID, and we want to be organized, right? Especially if we have multiple channels, you will not find them again. So make sure to save it somewhere.